The stock spindle speed on the HAAS TM1 is only 4,000 RPM. So it peaks at 4,000 RPM, and if you try to increase the spindle speed, it's not going to increase any more than that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase spindle speed from 4,000 RPM all the way up to 6,000 RPM. So there's an easy way to increase your spindle speed up to 6,000 RPM because these spindles are designed for up to 6,000 RPM. It's the same spindle that's used in the mini mill, and in the mini mill it can be used up to 6,000 RPM. So let me show you how to unlock that. First thing you need to do is press the emergency stop. Then go to the setting graph button here. Type in 7 because you're looking for parameter 7 and down. It's going to take you to 7, parameter lock, on. Use the left or right arrow to change that to off and press right enter. Okay, so that's the first step. Now we're going to go and actually change the speed parameters. So press the parameter diagnostic button, enter 131, down. Now we find the max spindle RPM, 131, it's at 4,000. We're going to increase that to 6,000. So type in 6,000, right, enter, that's changed. Now enter 183, down. We're going to find max frequency, parameter 183. It's at 13,333. We're going to change that to 20,000. So type in 20,000, enter, and that's changed. Now you should go back to settings and graph. 7, parameter lock, and we're going to turn that back on. So we're not actually changing parameters. Enter, and that's done. So now, if we go and try to test the spindle speed, turn off the emergency stop, reset. So now if we try to change the spindle speed, we can hit clockwise. It goes all the way up to 6,000 RPM, okay? So 100% it still thinks is 4,000. You can increase it